Good morning. This final year project presentations proposals, and with the title of Crystalline with data analysis and Tai Wen Jun with a matrix number A19EC0207. So Crystalline with data analysis. Why do I propose this project? It's because that we have a problem background of donation for charity and for people in need has been a culture in Malaysia for centuries, for hundreds of years. However, with billions of money of ringgit that inflow and outflow from charity sectors, we can't avoid or we can't neglect that there is some criminal who see a chance to grab an opportunity to become a billionaire, millionaire out of by taking 10%, 20%, or even 90% from the charity donations in a short times. And governments have been in a strugglings to solve the problem of the criminal taking the money of charities. So Crystalline will be the perfect solution toward these tricky questions by providing the feature of donation by the donator, receive donation by the charity, and a clear finance report to be viewed by any user of the application. So that's what this application for is to aim for crystal clear finance reports and finance monitoring system by anyone, include donator, charity, and user, because this is what the charity section should be, which is clear and to be viewed by anyone who curious and want to understand about it. So the objective of this project is to create an application solution for the charity donation system by providing donation features, crystal finance report, and finance monitoring system by anyone include donator, charity, and users. So the scope of this project is that it will provide a corruption-free donation system with donation feature and transaction report feature. With this project, the donation sector will be expected with a clear financial reports where the criminal cannot take the funds or donation for own usage. So that's a bad thing about the criminal, which they take the funds for charity to help the person in need, the children, the patients, and so on. However, they use the fund to buy their own usage, such as house, cars, and for example, songs and so on. So the difficulty about this project, which is the technical obstacle that we will be met in this project, is that the QR code generation and scanning, which is for the charity to generate it and to allow the visitor and the charity to scan the QR code and donate in the application so that the donator will know that the donations, transactions, and view the financial report of his donations. And then the second difficulty is that the integration with Microsoft Power BI for the dashboard for data analysis. So the user can use the dashboard by Power BI to view that total transaction for today, for example, the line chart of the donations. So the another difficulty of this project is the high user experience because these are donations applications which we would like the user to donate as much as possible with the capability of himself. And so we would like to develop the applications so that he can feel that I'm happy to donate. I'm happy to go to donate to the charity that I want. So that's another difficulty will be met in these projects. So the project requirements, which is the software, will be Android 10 or iOS 12 because it will be a mobile applications. And the hardware will be at least of RAM 2 GB and storage of 360 GB. And technology and techniques that will be used in this project will be a QR codes, Microsoft Power BI, and if in terms of programming language, it will be a Flutter. So the network elements that you can connect with this application via Wi-Fi or 4G. So for the security elements is that we will use identification access management, which will be storing the users' informations in the database and manage its access through the authentications. So for the further informations of this project is a development types and it will be the area of e-commerce and I came the idea with my own ideas. And for this project, it will be supervised under Associate Professor Dr. Noor Asman Ismail. So that's all from me. Thank you.